We're not sure if you knew this,
But automotive holds so much opportunity.
Once you get your foot in the door,
You will fall in love with automotive.
And the sky is the limit.
Unless you believe there are footsteps on the moon.
The path to success is tough, but so are you.
So pull up a chair yourself.
Find a mentor and a coach.
take the initiative. If a role doesn't exist in your company, create it.
Get uncomfortable.
Are you working to your full potential?
No job is unattainable.
Get out of your own way.
No one can tell you you can't but yourself.
Don't count yourself out.
Just because you work for someone else doesn't mean you're not a business unto yourself.
Don't be afraid of anything.
Don't let anyone tell you that you don't belong here.
If you don't see someone in leadership like you, become that someone.
And you'll inspire the next generation to be
General Manager.
CEO.
Executive at General Motors.
I am a champion, and so are you.
I'm worth it, and so are you.
I am capable, and so are you.
I belong here, and so do you.
Hard work.
Determination.
Strength.
A tribe who has your back.
Supporting each other.
Passion. Crushing it.
A do not quit attitude.
Perseverance. Confidence.
Tenacity.
Courage.
Moxie. Fortitude.
Assertive.
Dedicated.
Dynamic. Entrepreneurship. Empowerment. Uncomfortable. Ambition.
So join us.
Join us.
Because you are the next.
And we will help you get there.
Because we
We are automotive.
For more information, go to womeninautomotive.com.